Hello friends, I am Professor Mrunal Mehta from JG College of Commerce, Ahmedabad. Today we will study Marketing Management in Practice. This is a subject for BCom Semester 5 students of Gujarat University. Today we will start with Unit 4 Case Study in a Marketing. Friends, we will start with one of the most important question, that is meaning and characteristics of case study. Answer is in three parts. First, meaning of case study. Second, meaning of case. And third is characteristics of case study. Let us study first what is case. Case means anything which is recorded. It can be an event of any field. It can be an incident of any field connected with human activities. Now, second definition, this is for the management students. Case study is a written description of any imaginary or real event or incident taken place in any of the business house or among or any of the business activity or business operations. Now we move towards the meaning of case study. What does case study means? Case study means when we study any case with some purpose. A purposive study of a case is known as case study. Now we go to the second definition, that is for the management students, and that involves a number of functions which has to be done during the case study. Case study involves understanding, thinking, analyzing, debating, finding the problems, reach to the conclusion, find the solutions, and ultimately putting that solution as a suggestions to the management. Friends, case study को अगर सबसे simple तरीके से सीखना है या समझना है तो these are the four basic points. First, it is nothing but a proper accounts of any activity, event or a problem. It may be real, it may be imaginary. It is regarding a particular incident or particular about something. And it is useful. We use it for illustrating some theories or principles. Friends, now we move towards characteristics of the case study. First characteristic, it includes detailed description. Case study includes a detailed description about some event, incident or some particular problem which has emerged in the society or in the business house. It can be written or it can be audio or it can be in a visual form. Case study is based on assumptions. Case study is based on two assumptions. First is a clear assumption. It means a direct assumption without any confusion. And second is an indirect assumption, that is called as an implied assumption. Third characteristic is it provides us enough scope. Case study provides us an enough scope to think, rethink, imagine, reimagine the situation as per our perspectives, as per our perceptions. केस स्टडी इज एन एक्टिविटी डन विद एन ऑब्जेक्टिव. केस स्टडी एक ऑब्जेक्टिव के साथ किया जाता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि बस कुछ नहीं कर रहे तो कर रहे. केस स्टडी बहुत ही पर्पसफुल एक्टिविटी है. The three basic purpose which help us or which we have to fulfill or which we try to fulfill through the case study are: case study, first we have to understand the case. Second, it helps us to find the solutions. And third, the solution should be implemented as a decision to achieve a desired result. Then next is study from the various viewpoints. Case study is not having a single viewpoint. Different people have a different opinion. एक केस स्टडी को अलग अलग लोग अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखेंगे, अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, अपने परसेप्शन से उसको समझेंगे और उसी तरह से वो उसको प्रेजेंट करेंगे. सो वी कैन से कि वी विल हैव अ नंबर ऑफ different opinions for the same case study. Purposeful. Case study is a multi-purpose tool. We can use case study to explore something new, to explore the new fields, and on the same time we can use case and case study as a reference to something. Next, it is multiple use of case study. Case study is equally useful for teaching and learning both the activities. Teachers can use case study as a complementary method along with the other teaching techniques, and the learners can use it to improve their skills. Case study helps to develop managerial decision making ability. Friends, हम सब जानते हैं कि managerial decision making के लिए we need two basic skills. First is a logical skills and second is an analytical skills. Case study के through हम अपने logical और analytical skills को जल्दी improve कर सकते हैं. उसको जितना practice करेंगे उतना ही हमारा logical और analytical skills develop होगा, और उसके बेस पर हम अपने मैनेजरियल डिसीजन की एक्टिविटीज को एज स्मूथली वी कैन डू इट स्मूथली एज पॉसिबल विदाउट एरर्स और मिनिमाइजिंग द एरर्स. द नेक्स्ट इज केस स्टडी कैन बी यूज फॉर अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन एंड फॉर द इंडिविजुअल्स ऑल्सो. केस स्टडी के अंदर इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि हमेशा ही ग्रुप हो या हमेशा ही किसी एक इंसान के लिए हो. वी कैन यूज केस स्टडी एंड मेक पीपल टू डिस्कस ऑन द सेम for the group discussions, and we can derive number of solutions from that. And same way we can make an individual to study the case study, to practice the case study, and from that they can learn or they can come up with a number of solutions, multiple solutions. Case study will never have a single final solution because it is studied from the different point of view, and every individual, every person will have a different solution. Suppose the same one case is there and which is started by the HR person, the perspective must be different. The finance person have a different logic towards it. Marketing person must have a different ideology or different logic for that. So we all have a different analysis for the same case study according to our perceptions. So case study will never have a single solution. It will always have a multiple solutions. एक्सपर्ट्स ओपिनियन. फ्रेंड्स, केस स्टडी के अंदर अब आपको होगा कि व्हाई एक्सपर्ट्स ओपिनियन इज रिक्वायर्ड. एक्सपर्ट्स हेल्प करते हैं हमें राइट केस को फाइंड करने के लिए, बिकॉज ऑल केसेस आर नॉट सुटेबल फॉर ऑल टारगेट ऑडियंस. अकॉर्डिंग टू द टारगेट ऑडियंस वी हैव टू डिसाइड which case is more suitable, more effective for the particular target group or target audience. Case study is we have seen almost all good things about case studies, but case study is not free from the limitation. It is not foolproof method. It has its own limitations. First, if we see, the first is sometimes it is very historical, sometimes very lengthy, sometimes irrelevant data, sometimes very short, so we are missing with the detailed description, and sometimes attitude of the people, those who are practicing case study, also create limitation. So friends, we can say that case study is one of the best method to improve our logical and analytical skills with the help of experts, but it is not free from the limitations. Thank you, friends. Before saying goodbye, I am giving you a 2 practice exercise, the first one and the second one. Thank you, friends.